In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord not opening. If Discord refuses to launch, the most common reason is that a background process is still running and blocking a fresh start. We'll clear that out and then try a permission-boosted launch to get you back in quickly. First, completely close Discord and relaunch it. Press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. This shortcut takes you straight there without extra clicks. Once Task Manager is open, look at the processes list and find anything related to Discord. You're looking for entries named discord.exe or anything clearly labeled Discord. If you see more than one, that's normal. The app can spawn several processes. Right-click each Discord entry and select End Task. This force closes any stuck instance that can prevent a new window from appearing. Take a moment to confirm the list no longer shows Discord. When those entries are gone, try opening Discord again the way you normally do, whether from the desktop shortcut or the Start menu. If it launches, great, you've cleared the blockage and you're done. If Discord still doesn't open, the next move is to run it as an administrator. This can help if something on your system is limiting app permissions or if Discord needs elevated access to complete a task during startup. Right-click the Discord shortcut or the discord.exe file and choose Run as Administrator. If you're prompted by Windows to confirm, select Yes. Now watch for the app window to appear. Running with elevated permissions can bypass certain restrictions, so if a permissions roadblock was the cause, this will typically get Discord to launch. A couple of notes while you do this. Running as an administrator is safe when you trust the app, and Discord is widely used and trusted. You don't need to run it as an administrator every time. This is mainly a troubleshooting step to get it open if a standard launch isn't working. If you're on a work or school computer, you might not have permission to elevate apps, so you may need to use the first method or contact your administrator. To recap, first end all Discord processes in Task Manager, then relaunch. If that doesn't work, right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as Administrator. These two steps resolve most cases where Discord seems to do nothing when you click it. Give them a try now, and you should be back in your servers and chats in no time.